Get ooh, magic voodoo. Fuck what you do. Savage, screw loose. I need the money, the blue. My little nigga cop a tutu. Bet you run.
Alright guys, so right here I'm starting off with my section. I'm showing you guys my side part, and here I'm pulling out from the front to cover up the wig cap. And yeah, this is the wig cap. I put both of them on. I didn't show in the camera, but I did use two because I'll be using hair glue, so I didn't want to get the hair glue all over my hair, so I used two caps. So for you guys who don't know, this has got to be spray. I forgot to show like the front, but it's got to be spray. And I'm just spraying my whole head, and I do this like twice all over. This is the bundle I'm using. Is from Organique or Organic, and it's the Breezy Wave. It's 30 inches. I don't know if it shows the inches on it, but it's 30 inches, and I use 3 whole bundles on my head. So right here I'm just using beauty supply store hair glue to just glue on the track. This is a quick weave, I think it's called. My first time ever doing it, and I absolutely loved it. Definitely recommend if you want like a quick 2-week hairstyle. I love this hair. This is me doing I'm editing the video after I wore the hair and everything, so I'm just not editing, but I absolutely love this hair. And yeah, so I'm just gluing the hair to the cap. So right here, I'm just gonna cut off the lace. Oh, my baby crying, hold on. So yeah, I'm just cutting off the rest of the wig cap, not the lace. And then I'm just going on some more tracks because there's a spot that I didn't glue on. I didn't want to glue on all the hair and didn't know what part is left out. So I just continue gluing on the rest of the tracks around the parting space, and yeah. So right here I'm using Trust in Me heat protectant and just spraying all over my leave out, and yeah, and I'm just gonna straighten it. Right here, I'm gonna just curl the ends a little bit just so it can blend better because it straight was not doing it at all. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. So you have to curl, bump the ends so it can blend a little better. And it definitely worked like that. Just like lightly curl just the bottom part and it's gonna blend in really well. So I just used the edge control. I forgot the name of this, but that's that edge control that smells really good. And I'm just doing my edges, nothing crazy, nothing fancy, just like 2 swoops, and that was all. Yeah, guys, this is my results. It came out really cute. I was doubting myself the whole time because it's my first time doing this hairstyle, but it came out nice. Yeah.